Alright, so hello, welcome back to the shop. Got another Sunex tool set here, and keeping fashion with our Sunex tool series, I think there's really only one way we could open this thing up. Had to be done. Works like a dream, I gotta say. So here we go. This is a set of Sunex half-inch drive Allen. I wouldn't call them deep, but they're a decent depth sockets. And these are pretty nice. These have a nice look to them. They are made of chromoly, made in Taiwan. They do not have the number struck in them, and we talked about that before in some of these Sunex sockets. And probably what we'll have to do as this wears, we'll just engrave the size in the socket. Really no big deal for what we're doing. I think that'll work out well for us here in my shop anyway. Overall, I have a nice assortment here, starting at 1/4 inch and going up to 3/4 on the SAE side. Got a lot of the 32nd, well, got at least one 32nd size in there, the 932. Nice assortment there. And then we have 6mm to 9mm, 19mm. Have most of the sizes. It looks like 9, 11, 13, 16 are missing, but I don't know that they're all that common. I haven't really been into metric fasteners that much, so overall they're made nice. They're made that they won't beat up the anvil on your impact gun. You can put the pin through if you wanted to. If you have that style anvil on your impact, that these wouldn't be falling off. The hex part of it looks very, very nice. Here's a little bit closer look at that. Nice crisp edges here. I don't know if they machined that or how they made that, but that's very, very nice. A decent amount of relief in here so that it's not going to be digging into corners in the top of the, or in the head of the fastener. Here's a fastener here, and that fits in there really nicely. I mean, it holds it pretty well, and I got to get almost vertical till it drops off. In fact, I can hold it in the socket, and these are not magnetic, so that shows how good of a fit that is. That is not at all loose. So that's a very nice addition to the shop. We can compare these to Harbor Freight ones that I got a pretty long time ago. Pittsburgh set here, and these have been all around beaters. I originally got these. These are also chromoly, made in Taiwan. Let's get out similar ones here and compare them. Here's a 1/4 inch one. And they seem to be fairly similar the way they're made, to be honest. I wonder if they're, well, you can see the Sunex tools is a little bit better refined than the Harbor Freight one. Still, there's nothing really bad with these Harbor Freight ones. The overall length is very similar, and this isn't a fair representation because I've been using this to take drill chucks off, and you can see it's marred up quite a bit. And that's really what I got these for. I got these for a beater set to do various things with. It's handy to have Allens that you can jam in things and beat on, so I had got these for that, and I've been using them on drill chucks a lot and other things, so I thought I'd get a nice set of Sunex that are going to be just for fasteners and I don't have to worry about messing up anything there. We won't be putting these in drill chucks or anything like that. And I also wanted to have a smattering of metric, which now we do down to 6mm. So this is a nice supplement for the 3/8 set that we got. Did a video on them too. And I think we're pretty well covered now for impact hex head sockets. So there we go. Quick look at that and a little comparison to the old Harbor Freight set there. If there's interest, I could do a quick review on these, but really there's not a lot to say that hasn't been said here. I mean, they're reasonably decent. They're not quite made as well as the Sunex, but the price might be comparable. They don't have as many sizes in that set as the Sunex does either. You can see there's definitely a few not in 11/16, stuff like that. There's a bunch of them not in there. So Sunex set's a little bit more complete. Nice to have it. Good addition to the shop. Thanks for watching.